Hi guys, it's Nadale and welcome back. I am using my PLouise base and I'm putting that all over my lid using an angle brush from Eco Tools. I'm using the other end of the brush to blend out that product. So I'm using this smudge brush from Eco Tools and I'm using Venetian Red from my ABH palette, and I'm placing that color right above where my eyelids naturally fold. I have extremely hooded eyes, you guys, so in order for me to see that cut crease, I have to place it right above the fold. So I'm just following the natural curve of my eye crease, and then I'm just taking that color up towards the end of my brow. Now we're just going to draw a line at the end of our eye to connect to the end of that pink line to create a winged effect. So at first I used this pink color from the Matte Book by Crayon Case to apply a lighter pink, but I didn't like it. So I used my blush from Sephora collection. It's an old palette, but I used my M532 brush to stamp that color right above the Venetian Red. Now I'm going to use the translucent powder by Mercier and this blending brush from PLouise to blend out that lighter pink and have a smooth transition between the brow bone and the colors. Using that same PLouise base and a flat brush, I am going to put some of that base on my lid and look straight up so I can create a guideline for where I should cut my crease. Notice that I'm stamping the product and not dragging it across. I'm just using the shape of the brush to create that line and going section by section. Now taking my Instapop brush from Real Techniques, I'm going to take the lightest pink in the Matte Book by Crayon Case and place that color right above the PLouise base that I just placed down. Now I'm going to use the pink PLouise base and a liner brush to create a line right where I am going to place my lashes. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Falsies waterproof mascara to coat my lashes before I go ahead and add some false lashes. And I am applying my glue directly to my lash line. That's just easier for me, you guys. Now I'm just going to take that same Venetian Red and a smudge brush to apply that to my waterline, add some mascara, and that's the end of the look, you guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out the rest of my videos. Happy Valentine's!